Good afternoon, everyone. So today is the last day of Gynec course. I had taken special topics. So short topics I had tried to cover it. After this, you will going to tell you your case or something you want to learn a small topic. So I can give it to you. So first, let me complete the special topics. First, I had taken. Please. गुड आफ्टरनून बोलिए. हम्म. Yeah, definitely. Up to grade 2, up to grade 2 prolapse is preventative condition. Up to grade 2 of prolapse, if the patient is doing proper Kegel exercise for whole lifetime and avoid the aggravating factors, means avoid the weightlifting, avoid the chronic condition like the coughing, sneezing. So definitely constipation, yeah. So all this condition surgery could be preventable. Up to stage 2 surgery could be preventable, definitely. But for that she had to undergone the Kegel exercise very well, because it's a role of to uh, contract, means strengthen the muscle. So if she is doing 10 times 10 rotation 3 times a week for long term and avoid the aggravating factors, 100% surgery is preventable. बोलिए. Actually, हाँ, yeah. Actually, there is no supplements for muscle weakness, because if it's a muscle weakness or a tear is there, so the supplements, means what the supplements, that is the nutritional supplements you are providing. So you can give the anything you can give. If you want to give the multivitamins, it's okay. But actually there is no specific medication for prolapse of uterus. ऐसी कोई मेडिसिन ही वर्ल्ड में नहीं है कि आप ये दो तो उसका मसल टाइटन हो जाएगा. So, frankly, there is no medication for prolapse of uterus. But what happens? Suppose patient comes to you, and if you not write anything, the patient will tell that you don't know anything. So you can write the multivitamin, but actually there is no role of multivitamin. Rather than there is a role of Kegel exercise. Plus, you have to take care that the infection won't happen. Because what happens, because of the prolapse of uterus, vaginal infection chances are very higher. So that's why for prevention of the vaginal infection, you can give them the hygiene wash, V wash, or like kind of that maintains the vaginal pH, or infection of the uterus or decubitus ulcer and everything can be preventable. So proper hygiene with V wash, if you want to give multivitamin, and the Kegel exercise is the ideal protocol for up to grade 2 of prolapse. Okay. Okay. So first we will start with PMS, that is the premenstrual syndrome. It's a psychoneuroendocrine disorder of unknown etiology, often noticed prior to menstruation, not related to any pathology, and symptoms free period during the rest of the cycles. आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे लोगों को सुना होगा कि they have the problems prior to the menstruation. Just the problems start just 8 to 10 days before the expected their expected menstrual date, and rest of the cycles are period free. तो हियर इट्स अ अननोन etiology. ऐसा क्यों होता है? एक्चुअली में दे डोंट नो. सम थियोरीज आर देयर इज अ फ्लक्चुएशंस इन द सेरोटोनिन लेवल, there is a deficiency of the omega 3 fatty acids, and like that there are lots of theories are available, but definitive etiology is not known. The pathophysiology says that it could be due to altered estrogen to progesterone value or decreased progesterone value, decreased serotonin during the luteal phase of the cycle, and sometimes psychological and psychosocial factors are involved. This leads to the PMS. How they complain to you? The mostly PMS patient you will see in the age group of 30 to 45 years. So they have the complaints related to the water retention complaints are there. Weight gain before the menses, edema before the menses, abdominal bloating, breast heaviness, breast tenderness, plus there is a mood swings, irritability, depression, forgetfulness, anxiety, etc. Whatever there is a vague complaint like features, but typical presentation is happening just before the menses, before 8 to 10 days of the cycle. They feel breast tenderness, heaviness in the breast, then abdominal bloating, खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता या भूख अच्छी बहुत लगती है. Then hair, sometimes they feel like the hair fall, lethargy, tiredness, irritability, mood swings, plus weight gain. So all these are they present with typical features of just prior to the menses, and rest of the cycles are symptom free. The treatment, basically we there is no etiology, no specific treatment. एज आई टोल्ड यू yesterday कि जिसका कोई स्पेसिफिक ओरिजिन नहीं है उसका कोई स्पेसिफिक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है, तो हमको सब मसाला मिक्सचर देना पड़ेगा. लाइक कोरोना मैंने बताया था कि उसका ओरिजिन नहीं पता है, तो वी हैव टू फॉलो द सिम्टोमेटिक ट्रीटमेंट. तो इट्स ए साइकोसोशल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर. सो ऑलवेज assurance, yoga, meditation and stress management is definitely wonderful. I am very fond of to advise them a yoga and the meditation, because as a allopathic doctor, but I personally feel yoga and meditation definitely helpful. Even I had seen a case of constant burning micturition, SUI patients, mild SUI symptoms are treated with meditation, because sometimes in a bladder like overactive bladder, SUI, तो उसमें some psychological factors are always there. So if you correct it, symptoms also will correct it. So always not, as a doctor, not only pressurize to the medication, but at least you can say 10 times, then they will follow. So yoga, meditation definitely have a role. This is also one important thing. Soaked 5 to 6 almonds in the morning. So overnight soaked 5 to 6 almonds overnight and peel it and then chew it. So for last 15 days, or maybe they can take for whole month or at least last 15 days. This is not my home remedy, but the paper, one scientific paper is on that. It says wonderful response and result in the case of PMS. So always also mention this. Those having the mood swings, mood swings, irritability, fluoxetine 20 milligram at a bedtime. Ocipil certain in some cases, it's mainly because of the hormonal fluctuations. So here Ocipils also takes a wonderful result, 3 to 6 cycles. The most preferred drug I preferred for PMS is Premens Plus. Premens Plus is nothing, it's a multivitamin, but the content here in this are excellent. It is from Mayer Biotics and it is available whole over world, not in India. So any patient comes to me, whatever the complaint, the Premens Plus, I always write them Premens Plus for 3 months. Plus, if the patient having the severe breast pain, breast tenderness, so in that case, I will write it down here. मैंने नहीं लिखा है, but my preference of drug of choice is capsule Macgla. Macgla आती है. It contains the omega-3 fatty acids, some vitamin E. So it's a good combination, and I had get wonderful response or result from my patient. So for specific cyclical mastalgia, I would prefer the capsule Macgla. 1 OD for 3 months. for PMS प्रीमेंस प्लस 1 OD फॉर 3 months एंड पेशेंट को आपको बोल देने का कि जब भी आपको ऐसा लगे यू कैन रिपीट दैट वन. दूसरा ये मैग फ्लूओक्सेटिन वो सब है, बट आई हैड seen the wonderful result with Megla for breast cyclical mesalgia and Premens Plus for whole premenstrual syndrome. Then if insomnia, you can prescribe the Alprex 0.25 milligram at a bedtime. So it's about PMS, premenstrual syndrome. Then we talk about the perimenopausal symptoms. It's a similar kind of PMS, but the symptoms specifically arises just prior to the menopause. So what is perimenopause? Means menopause symptoms. Climacteric stage where the menstrual cycle likely to be irregular is called perimenopause. So period is between 35 to 45. Menopause period we see 45 to 55. But perimenopause actually start 10 years before. So mild weak symptoms may develop. The basic problem is FSH-LH level start to raise and estrogen start to decrease. So because of the estrogen start to decrease, there is a affection of the bone metabolism. So they leads to osteoporotic changes. Menstrual patterns will change. Otherwise, in sometimes abrupt cessation, sometimes there is a gradual decrease in both amount and duration, and sometimes it is associated with irregular or heavy excessive bleeding. So patient present with vasomotor symptoms, hot flushes, palpitation, एकदम घबरा के रात में उठ जाना, बहुत गर्मी लगना ठंडी में भी, severe perspiration होना, dysuria, dyspareunia, vaginal dryness are all the features of perimenopausal symptoms due to gradual increase in the FSH-LH and decrease in the estrogen level. Treatment first, always lifestyle modification, yoga, diet and meditation, because there is a decrease production of calcium from the ovary indirect way. So advise calcium rich diet. In certain cases, calcium plus vitamin D supplementation. Actually, I am not prescribing to calcium and vitamin D to anyone. I always put a pressure on the diet, calcium rich diet, because there may be the mites and some that after the certain age calcium to be taken. But that is for foreign Western countries. But for India, I never prescribe them to every menopausal woman to take a calcium. Rather, take a proper calcium-rich diet, because it also have the adverse effect. Calcium leads to bloating, indigestion problem, as well as sometimes it leads to renal stone. So better to take in a natural form calcium-rich diet. The one important medication I want to tell you is my choice is isoflavone, that is the phytoestrogen, और उसमें भी एक फीमारिल करके टैबलेट आती है, that is from स्विजेरा कंपनी. वो यूजुअली अवेलेबल इतनी नहीं होती है, बट यू कैन आस्क योर केमिस्ट और एनी ड्रग सप्लायर, so they can make it available to your nearby medical store. इज़राइल की it is the product of इज़राइल, पर उसमें जो isoflavone का कंटेंट है that was awesome and I had get a wonderful result in my severe patient those needed the HRT, hormone replacement therapy की ज़रूरत होती है, उसमें भी I had get a wonderful result. So always I am not preferred to the HRT to every patient of the menopause. उसके पहले try our best, नहीं होता है HRT is very last resort. So स्विजेरा की कैप्सूल फीमारिल 1 OD for long term 5-6 years